brought you on the show because I want us to have a better relationship. I want you to forgive me in some way, if you can. Because it wasn't right at the end of the day. But at that time, I wasn't caring because of how you used to do me, man. Just like when I got there. As soon as I got there, you just went off with your friends to go do whatever you want to do and left me there with your wife.
Let's assume that what he did was wrong, okay? No one's going to say it was the right thing that he did, clearly. But that aside for a moment, does he have a point that maybe you have been neglecting him? At least he was thinking he was neglected, and you didn't reach out and be a dad to him.
Jerry, I had him at a young age.
Yeah.
I'm a musician. I was on the road, so I probably wasn't there for him every day like that, so he does have a point.
Okay.
He does have a point.
And you want him to be your dad?
Of course. Of course.
And you also realize that that's a real bad way to get started.
Yeah, I realize.
Are you surprised? Are you surprised that your wife would?
Jerry, of course. I mean,
yeah.
She had sex with my son, wouldn't you? I mean,
yeah. Have sex with your son? No, I wouldn't. All right, here she is. Here's Dania.
When did this happen?
This was a month ago. We've been through everything. We went through Hurricane Harvey, and we lost our home, our cars underwater. I just feel bad about the whole situation.
So then you go and have sex with my son?
We lost everything, and I do not want to lose you.
I don't know about that. I got to think about that. I love you, and I want a relationship with my son, but I don't know, man.
I don't want to lose you, and I don't want you and your son's relationship to be messed up because of this.
When it happened, what were you thinking?
Well, I mean, I wasn't thinking at the time. So, you know, we were just left alone at the hotel after you left. And you always dealing with music and social media, so...
That's my job.
I understand that's your job, but at the same time, you still have to show me attention.
You show more attention to Facebook than you do her.
Shut up!
You shut up. I'm telling the truth.
So we just hooked up and it happened, and I do feel so bad about the situation.
Yeah. I don't know. You shouldn't have did this.
I understand. I understand that you're mad, but I do love you. I do treasure this. I got this tattooed on me because this is our wedding date.
Evidently, it doesn't mean nothing to you.
It does.
You two going to stay together?
Yeah, Jerry, our anniversary's on the 14th. And I love her, so we're gonna try to work it out, man.
And your son?
Can you forgive me?
Now,
I'm sorry, Dad.
We just went through Hurricane Harvey, and you opened your house up for us to go live. How do I supposed to go live with you and